You are 30 years old. You work as a software engineer in the Bay Area. Level 5. Not building rockets. Not changing the world. It's 2026. You don't really write code anymore. You tell Claude Code what to build. You wait. It writes the feature. It fixes the bugs. The code ships. Millions of people use the feature you shipped. No one cares who built it. Your total compensation is almost $300,000. But you know what $300,000 feels like in the Bay Area. Not free. Work goes on, sprint after sprint, prompt after prompt. Then one night, the email arrives. Subject: organizational update. Your role has been impacted. You read the email twice. Not because you don't understand it, because there isn't much to understand. No meeting, no conversation, no explanation. Just leadership kept saying it wasn't about AI, just restructuring, efficiency, a difficult business decision. AI, they said, was only a tool, a productivity multiplier. But you know better. For the past year, you weren't just using AI to do your job. You thought you were training a tool. You were training your replacement. The job was gone. The bills weren't.